Yeah, or we did. And chocolate chips on top as well. Get my rib. Uh-oh. Ooh, this is like some good looking red velvet, guys. I'm making a mess. I ruined it. Ready? Really good. And there's like strawberry syrup on top.
That's really good.
Get another bite of that one. I hope you guys can see that as a good one. Ready? Cheers. Alright guys, this is the special for December. It's like, I'll be right back. Thank you. I think it was like fried tortillas, eggs, home fries, and then a jalapeno. Or is that jalapeno?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of egg, home fry, and then tortillas. Got a big old bite of protein and
That
carbs.
was good. You missed this part.
Before all the flavor goes away. Wow.
That's like the nice spice in it.
Yeah. Oh my god, just that alone right there was really good. Like no egg or anything. That was amazing. It was like a tortilla chip, but like, wow. That's gonna be a good bite, guys.
I really like that a lot. Okay.
So now this is the birthday cake. Birthday?
Yeah.
Called? We got strawberry, all that good sprinkles. You know Michelle loves sprinkles. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Ready? Really good. I usually don't like strawberries, but on here, very good. Very fluffy pancake.
Yeah, that was good too. But that one was better.
Yeah, red velvet, definitely my favorite so far. Okay. Ooh, and then right here, guys, we have the loaded fries. We got cheese. What is this on top?
It's cheese, bacon, and potatoes.
Ooh. Really scrumptious. I'm gonna have to add some ketchup on this bitch in a minute. Yeah, it's a hard one to get a good bite. Yeah, ready? Really good. Okay. And this is just like the, it's called the eggs. You get toast, home fries, and your choice of eggs.
So funny.
We gotta get those egg white gains, guys. Got a big back day coming today.
You like the football? Yeah.
The regular Griddlecakes are gluten-free. Ready? Here's guys. Very good sauce. Really good.
Really good.
I think the taste tested everything. Alright, I'm gonna make sure the camera's on. Get a little time lapse going. We're gonna feast, guys. Alright guys, the remaining 3 of like 7 plates. Home fries and a little bit of fries that came in my eggs. Those are really good. What is your take on the home fries? Really good. And then we got the griddle cake. It was really good. And then this was the special. I forgot what it's called, but super spicy, super good. A little bit of toast that came with the eggs as well, but birthday cake was done. The lover was done, and then a few other things, but wow. Absolutely amazing, guys. We might have another bite or two, but I think we're pretty much taxed out. guys, so take this to Michelle's mom, just the potatoes. And this is the remaining of the special. Honestly, it was super good. These like tortilla chips, really good. Egg games with the jalapeno on the side, really, really good. My camera's about to overheat, so we'll see you guys in the car. Alright guys, that meal was absolutely amazing. Everything tasted incredible. We got to try a lot of food that we haven't had from there before. What was your favorite?
The lover pancakes. Those were really, really good.
Oh my god.
Because you added the chocolate chips and I think that's what made it.
They were so
delicious.
good. The Lover red velvet pancakes from Griddlecakes, favorite thing on the menu. So, thank you again, Griddlecakes, for doing these giveaways. It was amazing. If you guys are in Las Vegas and you have not tried Griddlecakes yet, definitely recommend.
Delicious.
Best breakfast place in Las Vegas.
And the service was really, really, really good too.
So good, guys. So, Griddlecakes, thank you again. Me and Michelle had an amazing breakfast. If you guys have not tried Griddlecakes yet, definitely give it a shot. Hope you guys enjoyed. We are stuffed. I'm gonna head to the gym right now for back. Michelle's heading to work. So, have a beautiful Friday.
I think it's Friday.
See you guys.